Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Vechain price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and everything here on the Vechain chart has also continued to obey the expectation of my previous videos. And at the time of this recording, we have a chart pattern that is in formation right here, which is a double bottom, where you can see that we have made two bottoms down here at around the $0.02 mark. And if I draw out the chart pattern, I can have that as the first bottom, then we have seen the formation of the neckline, then the second bottom. And there are chances that in case we continue gearing up, continue seeing higher prices, there are chances that you are going to see the breakout out of this chart pattern to the upper side, whose minimum target areas can be given by the height between the neckline and the bottoms, and we can get that height and then place it above the neckline to give us a minimum target area at around the $0.02261 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Vechain to do on the short-term scenarios in case we see a breakout out of that chart pattern to the upper side. And to also give you my long-term expectation basing it on the Elliot structures, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And on the long-term scenarios, you can see that after seeing our bear market low down there, we started this massive bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.03253 mark, and also completed the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 1 to the upside. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2 in a move that was able to bottom in within this blue target area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and that gave me a minimum target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which lies between the $0.02389 mark and the $0.01901 mark. And it is within this blue target area that I was expecting to see the low for that second wave. And initially I had been expecting higher prices in the formation of this wave 2 after we put our low in the formation of this wave 2 on the 23rd of March. But you can see that in this wave 3 that I was expecting, at some point we lost our impulsiveness and we also started seeing lower prices. And as a result, I said to you in my previous videos that I'm expecting a reset of this second wave, and there are high chances that this is going to finally play out and get a successful reset of this second wave and get a low at around the $0.01947 mark. And in case such a move plays out, then from there we can start expecting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3, as long as we continue holding within this blue target area. And in case such a move plays out and we get a new low at around the $0.01947 mark, then that will be also completing another chart pattern, which is a double bottom, having that as the first bottom, then we saw the formation of the neckline, then the second bottom, and then from there we can expect our breakout to the upper side in what could be the start of the formation of that wave 3. And the minimum target areas of this breakout will still be given by the height between the neckline and the bottoms, and we can get that height and then place it above the neckline, giving me a minimum target area at around the $0.03365 mark. But in case Vechain loses this blue target area right here, then that would be suggesting an even more bearish scenario here on the Vechain chart, because that would mean that this second wave has also lost the minimum retracement areas at the Fib level 0.78, and upon losing that area on the Fibonacci's, then that will be putting a major challenge on the formation of this wave 2 and also a major challenge on our Elliot wave structure. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and let's continue watching that target area. And taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 35 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices, but in case the breakdown continues, that will still be supported. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross suggesting lower prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.